In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a DocuSign account in just 5 minutes. This guide will walk you through the process, ensuring you can start using DocuSign's electronic signature and intelligent agreement management with ease. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to the DocuSign website, which is known for being a leader in electronic signatures. Once there, you'll need to locate the Login button. It's typically found at the top right corner of the home page. Clicking on this will open a new page, providing options for logging in or signing up for a new account. If you're creating a new account, what we need to focus on is the sign up for free option. This button is usually prominently displayed to attract new users. By clicking on it, you will be directed to the registration page where you can begin the process of creating your new account. Next, you will see various options for signing up. For our purposes, click on email, which is ideal for setting up a standard account or a personal trial. Choosing email allows for a quick setup without any additional verification steps that might draw out the process. Once you've clicked on email, you should find the Get Started button. This will initiate your registration process and bring you to the form where you'll enter your personal details. It will include fields for your name, email address, and a secure password. Make sure to use an email you frequently access, since you'll need to verify your email address later in the process. After entering your details, check for any welcome messages or confirmation emails from DocuSign. This verification step is crucial because it confirms your email address, enabling you to access all the features DocuSign has to offer. Be sure to check your spam or junk folders if the email doesn't appear in your inbox. As you await the confirmation or as soon as you receive it, you can explore the site and familiarize yourself with the platform's layout. DocuSign offers a user-friendly interface designed to help users navigate easily through their dashboard. Once logged in, you can start sending documents for signatures, which is the platform's primary function. It's always a good idea to review DocuSign's tutorials and resources, which can provide even deeper insights into utilizing their tools most effectively. Congratulations, you've now set up your DocuSign account. It's a quick and straightforward process designed to get you signing documents electronically in no time. Whether you're setting this up for business or personal use, DocuSign is a powerful tool that can streamline how you handle agreements and signatures. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more how-to videos. See you next time.